Enjoying the area's lakes and waterways during warm weather is a great way for kids to spend their time. For them to get the most out of their experience, keep them safe. Today, we are going to show you life jackets and the proper way to fit them. First, kids' life jackets come in 3 sizes. The infant jacket is for children that weigh 8 to 30 pounds. The child jacket is for those weighing 30 to 50 pounds, and the youth jacket is for those 50 to 90 pounds in weight. For infant and child life jackets, look for a life jacket with head support, a grab handle, and crotch strap. When fitting your child, the jacket should be snug around him. An easy test? Pick up the life jacket by the shoulders. Your child's chin and ears should not slip through the life jacket. Test the life jacket in a swimming pool or a shallow body of water with the child who will be wearing it to make sure he can float. Test a life jacket for fit and buoyancy each year. Don't buy a life jacket thinking your child will grow into it. A life jacket that does not fit is also unsafe. Just a reminder that kids age 13 and younger must wear a life jacket in a moving boat, and you will need an adult life jacket if your child exceeds the maximum weight for a youth life jacket. To get more information, subscribe today.